Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about semicircle. So first, let us learn what is a circle. So, circle is nothing but set of only points in a plane. And now let me explain this concept with a rough diagram over here. So here we have a circle with the center O. And the diameter divides this circle into two equal parts, and each part here is called as semicircle. So in other words, we can say as semicircle is nothing but half of the circle. And now coming to the area of semicircle, that is nothing but the space occupied by the semicircle is nothing but the half of area of circle, which can be represented as 1/2 into pi r square. And then coming to the perimeter of semicircle, here the perimeter of semicircle is given by the formula 2r plus pi r, that is nothing but 2 times of radius plus pi times of radius. And by writing r as the common factor here, we get r into 2 plus pi as the perimeter. So now let us proceed and try to solve an example using these formulas. So here the given example is to find the area of semicircle if area of circle is 156 square centimeters. Here we are given with area of circle. So we can write this as pi r square is equal to 156 centimeters square. And now coming to the area of semicircle, which is given by the formula half of area of circle, that is half of pi r square. So by substituting the given value of area of circle in the formula, we get 1/2 into 156. And here by simplifying, 2 one time is 2 and 2 78 times is 156. So hence we get here area of semicircle as 78 centimeters square. So now let us proceed and try to solve an example on perimeter. So here the given example is if perimeter of semicircle is 144 centimeters, then find area of semicircle. So we are given with perimeter. So here the formula for perimeter is r into 2 plus pi. And here we are given with perimeter. So let us write perimeter is equal to 144 centimeters. By equating both the perimeter, here we get the radius value. So that implies by writing the value of pi, we get here r into 2 plus 22/7, which is equal to 144. And then we get here r into 7 into 2, that is 14. 14 plus 22, we get here 36, divided by the denominator 7, which is equal to 144. And now by transferring 36/7 to the right hand side, we get r equal to 144 into 7/36. So here we get r equal to 1008 divided by 36. And by simplifying, we get 36 one time is 36 and 36 28 times is 1008. So that implies we get the radius, which is equal to 28 centimeters. And in order to find the area, we already know the formula for area of semicircle, which is given by the formula 1/2 into pi r square. So by substituting the value of r in the formula, we get 1/2 into 22/7 into 28 into 28. And here by simplifying, 2 one time is 2 and 2 11 times is 22 here. And then 7 one time is 7 and 7 4 times is 28. So we get here 11 into 4 into 28, and their product is equal to 1232 centimeters square. So we get area is equal to 1232 centimeters square. So at last we can conclude this by saying perimeter of a semicircle is given by the formula r into 2 plus pi, and the area of semicircle is given by the formula 1/2 into pi r square. So this was a basic introduction on area and perimeter of semicircle. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.